You for the YouTube channel. Today we are here as you already know at the Mora D in Berry Circuit. You already know and motorcycle. Look at it and Tarragona we have come to driver the SEAT Altea, which is red, but look at the soup is completely black and the in is a diesel and produce a lot of smoke and that one of the thing we need to check because the turbo isn't boosting, probably as we are a bit worried about now how much black smoke is putting. How many of you have as per more circuit vlog, and especially with the SEAT Altea since we already made a vlog about the 10 curiosity. You can find it on my channel. Today we have making a vlog about tracking the seat onto the track. I will put on the SEAT 316 so you will see me driving for inside. There are some more driver with more car like this BMW. You can see we do a lot of fun battles, so it's cool. Let's put on the SEAT 316 and you will see some footage from inside Max with outside shoot of the SEAT Altea. Let's me remind you what my Altea has red value cover which driver as a rock touch foot and tech system bank Colan, which is the good a new RAM. The car was originally black and as fully well fit inside as had racing shitting will just messing some semi-blocked seat it has by hybrid turbo with 11 blade and jealousy gauge to measure and boost pressure. Put right now it is not boosting correctly. It should be between 1.7 and 1.8 and it's boosting as 2.5, so it's bit put. We will check the LED and also has a full exhaust with downpipe. stage 1 and stage 2 turn, and right now it's back to 20 plus horsepower as the VX 150 HP 1.9 Ti engine. Though we would have liked to install the AR L115 HP engine and come with forgiving roads and cold reach 315-14 HP with. Anyway, we will make a project with that engine later on. Here we have the build helmet, not only for turking, which is where you have seen it, but also valid for world really car because it's a feeling homologation as the trick has been many dedicated to which rubber and helmet. We already asked here to consume in SEAT 116 ready and nothing more, friends. Let's get to the trick. Let's go. I hope you liked the video. A good like active to bell and subscribe. It's really support me and lot. What we started the video with the car not so black, and now it's completely black. I will leave more so expert shot on resting the car, but I am ending the video here. And yes guys, as you said the title and thumbnail, it was a really cool vlog, but at the end we got struck because we had loot tied the front flag of the hero and the true trick had to come. Now we will back to unloading everything. Someone who now me right route to me privately, and I asked him, do you know me? And he said, of course I do. We were honestly struck, but the treatment was very good. Now to already have ads here at home, a friend. I hope you like the video and good like and subscribe the audio good or good better because everything inside to camera and it's isn't the best right now, but I can't do anything else about it. So that friend, I ask you to support me. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, This is Automotive video. Are you fine? I hope are you very well. I find this is my video. Every Sunday I am uploading video. And if you not my YouTube channel, guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, my YouTube Facebook channel, 5 Facebook accounts, Johnny and Johnny 45. This is my two account. I don't have TikTok. This is my YouTube channel. Please guys support me, follow me guys. Bye bye. Again, see you soon.